I just made $494 profit in the past 24 hours selling this one particular service without carrying out the actual work myself. Obviously in this video I'm going to show you proof of my earnings on my dashboard over here, and I'm going to have the step-by-step tutorial for you here on YouTube that you can use to watch, replicate this, log onto your own PCs, follow each and every step that I'm going to show you so that you can replicate this successful online business yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and this channel is all about online entrepreneurship, marketing, and making money online, and also hopefully a bit of mindset and getting you onto a path to achieving some of your goals, or financial freedom, or just a bit of financial flexibility with the help of me that is uploading daily on this channel and daily free courses for you to equip yourself with the high income skills, knowledge to build your own landing pages, your own online businesses, and to earn some dollars online. And now if you're not subscribed with the notification bell on, make sure to go down below and subscribe with that bell on so that you can get some epic content with regards to making money online. Now, the past week, I've had an excellent week with my online drop servicing store that I created just 8 days ago. I made a video on a similar service that I used and drop service probably about a month back, but in this video I'm brand new, back with an update showing you fresh my earnings over here on my dashboard. So this is the past 7 days on this recent drop servicing store that I created that sells a particular service. I'm going to reveal this exact service just in a bit. Yesterday's revenue was $494, 16th of March, which is the day before that, a $97 day, another $97 day, another $494 day, and a $582 day, and then a $776 day at the beginning of this week on the 12th of March. And this over here is all leads that I am collecting. I collect emails, I build an email list, send promotions, coupons out to that email list just to get more clicks on my links, my landing pages, get more sales and more commissions ultimately online. So what I will do is, if you actually want to learn more about email marketing as well, I'll leave a link down below to my email marketing playlist on this YouTube channel. But just to refresh, to show you, this is my live dashboard on Kartra that is linked up to all my landing pages and all my results. What's nice about Kartra, they actually give you visitors each and every day, how many people have watched the videos, how many people have entered their names and emails on their forms. Over here, if I click on forms, you can see just waiting for this to load up. My most popular form is like my Kartra bonuses opt-in, which I get 92 confirmed this week, which is really good. So that's how many emails I'm collecting pretty much on a weekly basis through various different YouTube videos or content that I'm creating by giving away free stuff. And you'll actually see over here, here's some of my recent broadcast emails that I sent out. And my one email over here, which was 3 days ago, generated me $291 just from sending one email. So that's how powerful it is to really have an email list when it comes to any business online, whether you drop shipping, drop servicing, or especially affiliate marketing, which I also talk about on this channel a lot. I'll leave a description down below to that playlist if you want to check that out as well. But I just wanted to show you proof of my earnings, that there's not some screenshot. This is my live business online. This is what I do full time. I also mentor people on drop servicing as well in building your own successful drop servicing business. I have a 57-minute in-depth video course, or what I call my Drop Servicing Expert University, that I'll explain more at the end of this video. And this is going to be a jam-packed video where I'm going to show you behind the scenes exactly of what's going on here, how I build email lists, how I build my landing pages, how I actually sell this service through both free and paid traffic. So the first service that I've created on this particular store, I have multiple Kartra accounts because I like to keep separate track of different websites on my sales dashboard. The first service that I've actually been promoting is quite an interesting service here called FuelTalk.com. Now this is a website where you can actually go and buy engagement for TikTok. You can buy followers, organic likes, people that will see your TikToks, download them, share them, everything to favor your videos if you're a TikToker to make you go viral. Now obviously TikTok is something that is trending right now. So this is a service or a platform I want to make use of, piggyback to get some virality myself, to hopefully blow up some sales and make some money online. So this tool has three main options. You can buy TikTok likes, views, and followers. Currently over 1.1 or 1.31 million followers have been delivered, over 5,000 happy clients, and over 1.4 people on TikTok became famous using this tool over here. So the tool has various different options, such as you can choose the accounts that you want to go viral. They give you hashtags, locations that you want to target with your TikTok tool, how you can even filter your target audience by quality, activity, and even the number of TikTok followers that they have. So there's really nice in-depth features that a lot of social media engagement tools lack. And because TikTok is so new, not a lot of people know about this tool, hence why I am using this to build my own landing page to promote, because a lot of people don't know about this particular tool. So over here is just some of the basic pricing. You've got 29 euros a month for a 1-month plan, 3-month plan, 26 euros for a 6-month plan. You pay 23 euros. You get full automation, follow, unfollow, advanced targeting, custom settings, growth analytics, and live support. So doesn't cost you an arm and leg. 29 bucks a month is really not that bad. Now you can actually do affiliate marketing with this as well. So you can become an affiliate for this tool, but I've actually been drop servicing this as my own service. I've just found it to be more profitable. Also, however, I can choose how much I want to earn. So for example, I can charge 49 a month. Otherwise, if you want to, you can become an affiliate and you will, for example, get 30% commissions every single month of the fee that they are charging back here on this page over here for 29 bucks a month. So once you've come to this website, it's called fueltalk.com. You just want to read through it, learn a little bit about it, and learn how it works. You want to go and create a similar TikTok landing page. I'm going to come over to my pages section on Kartra over here. Now you can use any landing page tool that you'd like. You can use WordPress, ClickFunnels if you've got ClickFunnels, or Builderall.com, depending on what you use. I use Kartra.com just because I like its functionality. I've used Builderall and ClickFunnels in the past. I prefer Kartra because I just like the look of their pages, and I find that their pages convert better as well. So I'm going to click on plus new page as the plus button over here. I just want to come over here to squeeze pages over here. So I'm going to click on squeeze pages over here, and we can use any simple landing page. So for example, let's use this one over here. We can click on preview over here just to see what this small page looks like. This is the important part. You want to have a form that collects emails and builds an email list. So over here you can see it's quite a decent TikTok theme page. It looks like it's got the pink that fits TikTok. So I'm going to use this page. I'm going to click on select over here, and you're going to click on launch builder. We can go, for example, Fuel Talk, and we can just go category. You can go no category in particular and select site. Just click on create. This will load up in your page builder like this. And all we can go and do is we just want to go and change this text over here. So I'm just going to open up this website, and we're going to use some of this text over here again. I often do this. You are completely allowed to do this. Is just use some of the text from the website that you drop servicing off of to put on your own landing page, because the whole idea is you want to get people to this landing page but collect emails at the same time. So I'm just going to click on the highlight text. You're going to maybe just make this a nice bold color, and instead of this text being all black, we can maybe just highlight TikTok and change the color up a bit. Just going to change up the subtext over here. So with the help of our TikTok bot, you can get more followers, likes, and become a TikTok star. For this form over here, you just want to click on edit pen. You want to click on create a new opt-in form, and you just want to click on talk or TikTok Fuel Talk, and you just want to have the name and email selected. I've already created a form, so I'm just going to choose my form over here called TikTok marketing, which is the form that I created. You'll see when I click on apply, it's now been updated. Now just click on the button section over here, and you just want to have the following: try 7 days free. You want to give people that there is a free trial or something for free. So you'll see that people now need to enter their name and email, and when they click on try 7 days free, it's going to take them to this page over here. But the whole point is we've collected their name and email. And if we scroll down more, you can see there's some more sections on the pages over here. I'm going to delete all of them because we don't need a full-on website for this landing page. We're just creating a bridge page. Let's just click on the settings icon again, click on the delete button. Same with this over here, just delete this. And this is a landing page that's more than fine, that is going to act as a bridge page, because the whole idea is we want to get them from this page to the actual Fuel Talk page where they can check out with our affiliate link. So regarding this form over here, when you create your form, it's going to ask you for a section where you need to put in your affiliate link. All you need to do is just come over to Fuel Talk over here. You're just going to click on sign up as an affiliate over here. Just enter your first name, last name, email address, sign up as an affiliate. It's completely instant and quick. Copy that affiliate link onto your Kartra form over here, where you click on the pen. Again, over here, edit style, and when you create a new form, paste that affiliate link there. So when people enter their name and email and they click on try 7 days for free, it's going to take it through your affiliate link to the Fuel Talk page over here. So when they check out with the service, you're going to get a passive income every single month from selling the service through your landing page. Once your page is complete, just click publish your page on the top right over here. Click on publish live. You'll see it will take about a couple of seconds to upload your page to the internet. Click on get page link. If I copy this and come over to the actual page, this over here is what my landing page looks like. Now when people enter the name and email, click on try 7 days for free, it's going to take them over to the Fuel Talk page where they can then order their service through my affiliate link and I'll get a commission every single month. So it's really amazing. And what's nice about this page, it's not going to get banned on Instagram, Facebook, or all those platforms such as Quora, Reddit that ban these affiliate links, because this is not an affiliate link. It's a bridge page to an actual website. The next step is, now that you've got your landing page, you want to come over to Instagram over here and you want to search TikTok theme pages such as the TikTok Baddies Club, TikTok Trends, TikTok Video, TikTok India, TikTok Medaya, TikTok Fun, Invest TikTok, let's just go Teens TikTok, and we want to open up a whole bunch of TikTok pages. Now what you want to do is you want to build up a TikTok theme Instagram page. And you also could build up a TikTok page if you want to, but if you want to create a TikTok page, that means creating your own content. If you want to do an Instagram theme page, you don't actually have to create your own content. Take a look at this. These people over here have built up to 2.5. Okay, this is the official TikTok Trends page. Let's use this page over here. Take a look at this. This person has got 78k followers. They've been posting random TikToks that they have found off the TikTok For You page that they are downloading onto their mobile phones, reposting on TikTok with good hashtags. And you can see here, with only 78k followers, they are getting 1 million views, 3.5 million views, 3 million views, 1.5 million views, 2.4 million views. They're getting millions of views and they only got 78k followers. So the Explore page is really favoring this kind of content. And all you want to do is you want to create a bio. Okay, not really like that. Let's just have a look here. I just want to see if someone's got any kind of bio. Okay, this person doesn't. You can kind of create something like this. Follow my backup account, TikTok credits in the videos, DM for Instagram tag or removal. Hit the link to help your TikTok page go viral. And then you want to have the link to your Kartra page. Just lost it quickly over here that we've now created. So that will take people from your Instagram page. You'll get tons of free clicks, free conversions. The most important thing is you're building an email list, because a lot of people want to try this for free and you're collecting the email in return, which you can run email campaigns, promote them with a 60-day email sequence that sells affiliate products, drop servicing products, drop shipping products, you name it, and kill it with commissions when it comes to email marketing. So all you want to do is you can come over to these TikTok pages over here. It's TikTok or Teens Tick, it's Invest TikTok, it's TikTok Fun, TikTok India, TikTok Video, TikTok Trends, TikTok Baddies Club. You can go and download all of these TikToks, or you can actually come over to TikTok.com on the actual For You page. I haven't got my phone, so I'm just using the desktop site. Come and download some of these viral TikToks over here. Just have a look what's trending. Like this one got 2.3 million likes. Download this. Come over to Instagram, repost it here, just credit them. You'll see if I actually click on their post. Okay, they don't really credit. Let's just choose, for example, this one. I'm trying to see if they credit, follow. Okay, there, I can't really see Teens Tick. Let's just go to this one and see. And you'll see here they're crediting like this music page over here. So they're all giving credit to the original owners, and that's all you want to do as well. Repost TikToks, do this 2 to 3 times a day, build a following basis, use an app called hashtag, should I use this myself? Hashtag experts over here. Click on hashtag. It's www.hashtag.expert. This is an app where you can enter a keyword. So for example, any kind of challenge such as twerk challenge. And this app will generate, if I scroll down some more here, done for you hashtags that you can go and copy onto your Instagram posts. You'll see here, like they're putting all these, it was this one over here. They're putting all these hashtags over here, which is helping it going viral and getting a lot of views. So definitely recommend using hashtags for that purpose as well, to favor the Instagram Explore page. And as I said in the beginning of this video, guys, if you want to get access, this is just a quick 15-minute training. This is something that may require a little bit more in-depth research before you can tackle this fully and actually run a long-term business like this. Because this video just kind of outlined the basics. There's still a couple of steps that you need to complete, such as creating your landing page, creating a high-converting landing page, how to create the email campaigns, how to find successful service providers that will give you a service to drop service, and you can sometimes make 80 to 300% markup. You don't even need to sell those services yourself. You just have to go and promote it like I showed you. So that's why I've got over here my 6-figure drop servicing expert course. Drop servicing is what I do full time. I personally earn about $10,000 to $30,000 a month profit. Drop servicing services all over the world through various different professional company names that I create. Now this course is a 57 in-depth video course, one-on-one video mentoring with me, basically having me next to you the entire way, design your successful drop servicing stall with you. This course currently is paid, but I've got it currently at about 90% off to help out with the pandemic period. This information is just far too valuable and sensitive to be on YouTube for free, hence why I created this private membership course area for you guys to access if you want one-on-one mentoring with me. If you want to access this course, I do have a 26-minute in-depth video training of this course explaining what's in the course, what is drop servicing, and I show all the results from all my stores with refreshing my pages to actually show you that this works. This is what I do full time. And everything is completely transparent. I show you exactly what's in the course. It's not like I hide anything. So make sure to come over to the first link in the description. Take a look at this 26-minute video over here before you get started with this course. Once you're done with that, if you're ready, you can check out down below. If you don't want this course, you can click off the page and move on and miss out on this awesome opportunity. But without further ado, guys, take care. Make sure to click on the link in the description down below, first link, and I'll see you over here.